Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and this afternoon's adventure is I'm headed over to Emma and Devin's house and going over to their neighborhood because they found some trails that are in their neighborhood since they recently acquired a couple of e-bikes. They've been exploring and they said, hey, come on over, Dad, and check out the neighborhood and some of the trails we have over here. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to go meet them. Now, it's a little touch and go for a little bit because there is a lot of rain just north of us, but there is nothing projected for our area, so we're gonna just chance it a little bit, even though the skies are kind of gloomy. It's just, just overcast. And that's supposed to rain on us, so we will go see what happens. All right. Get up here where I prefer to be. So the temperature dropped, so it's actually a pretty nice afternoon. I believe it was about 88 degrees or something, which is a lot better than 95, but you don't have the sun beating on you since it's overcast. So just it's feeling pretty good out here. Humidity is still up there a little ways, but we can deal with that. We usually have to. Yep, 88 degrees. Tight little turn. So I was out this morning and recorded a ride on the Bison, the e-trike, and I actually got that edited and uploaded today, so that's already posted. And here I am going out this afternoon to do a little ride with Emma and Devin, so that'll be fun. Tomorrow I'll stick around close to home and just take care of some things, but Tuesday I've got a group ride. I'm going to go with another group and my buddy Greg, and we're going to go and do a similar ride that we did about a month ago. We went and scouted out a ride in Seminole, which is near the St. Petersburg, Florida area. And then we rode out to Clearwater Beach. It's a really fun ride. And so he went ahead and set up a group ride for his group and invited my group. And I'm not sure how many people are going to show up yet, but we're going to be doing that on Tuesday as long as the weather is good. So looking forward to that. So I haven't been over in this neighborhood and explored at all, so I don't know much about this neighborhood. So this is going to be interesting. Looks like we got to make a left turn here. All right. Me and my sissy little horn. There you go. Emma's been out riding the trails.
Didn't take long to get over here.
That's why I have a smile on my face. I think I'm going to have to go out this way. So how's everything been going?
Good.
Good.
Getting closer, obviously.
Yeah? Getting a little nervous?
A little, but not necessarily for me.
He's nervous, but like in a good way. Unfortunately, he's the kind of person where he's more concerned about his group because they're not fully putting in the effort.
They've been slacking off the last week and a half, and it's kind of got me
A little frustrated?
I
Yeah. Well, you know what?
Somebody
You can
else-
encourage them, you can help them along the best you can, but you can't drag them, because if you drag them now, you're going to be dragging them through their career, and
Yeah, exactly.
so
That's what she's
you just got to let them go.
on me about. I'm like, I know, but
Yep, just got to let them go.
I keep telling him, I'm like, worry about you.
Yep.
There's only so much you can do. I was like, I
It's-
appreciate you and love you.
What's tough is when you make friends with these folks, and then, you know, you got to give them some tough love or something, but, you know, when things start going south, it's like, look, dude, you know, we try to look out for each other, but you got to pull your weight, and if you're not pulling your weight, see you later.
well, and that's the thing. And it's like the other day, like they were like, you know, I went and ran my mile and a half out last week, and come to find out, they only ran like half a mile that day.
Yeah.
And like, okay, we all knew that we needed to run a mile and a half, and because of our schedules and the different like areas that they have us in, like not all of us work out at the same time.
Yeah.
So like,
Well, you know, it's best to cut
I'm
loose.
like, you guys literally didn't even run a full mile and a half. Like that's what we're having to run. I'm like,
They'll get washed out, and that'll be just too bad, too sad.
meanwhile, I ran my fastest mile and a half
Good for
time.
you.
And
Good
I'm
for
like,
you.
I texted them and I was like, here's my mile and a half time, and they were like, where's the proof? I was like, so I sent them a picture of me just drenched in sweat, like it was just pouring.
Good for
And
you.
then it was like my arms were like just, it looked like I had stepped out
Look.
the shower.
You're a rare breed for your generation, because we all know your generation suck, and they just don't want to put in the effort. But you know what? You don't need these guys on a call with you at midnight with a guy with a gun or something. You need someone that's going to be there, that's going to be on point, that's got your back. So
Well, and it's funny because
See
some
you
of
later.
the older guys that have been around that work out at the gym have made a couple like sly comments towards our group about like not like continuing to work out and pushing through. And they're like, yeah, you tell that to the bad guy on the day when it's 105 and you're having to fight somebody and it's just you.
you can't say time out. I need a drink of water.
Exactly. And so like when they first made that comment, I was like, ooh, I got to step it up even. Like for me, like I got to start holding myself to
To a
the
higher standard.
that I feel comfortable with my own physical health. And I was like, whoo, okay, they're right. It sucks, but we're gonna be out there in August, and some
Yep.
of these guys just are gonna be dying and be like,
They're gonna
hey,
be
remember
dying.
those days where you slacked off at working out?
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing
You
great
had
right now.
You had plenty of time to build yourself up and get there. All right, Emma, where we're headed?
Oh, we're going this way. I was just gonna let you know, not that you're not probably used to it, but they just tried redoing the path like a week or two ago,
Okay.
and
So
they
there's a
spilled a
couple-
bunch of like shell everywhere, so it's like super bumpy.
So
Okay.
like
you can
that
already
first
see
spot
it.
right
Yeah,
there,
where they just kinda
that's-
dumped it?
They just dumped
Yeah.
it. They didn't
Okay.
really try and
So.
grade it out.
Sounds good.
Again,
Am I supposed to go this way? Or is that just where we ended up? I like this already. This is nice, Emma. Oh, this is nice. Heck yeah. Oh, this is an outstanding trail, guys. Aren't I so lucky that I have a daughter and son-in-law that live in a neighborhood that has these types of trails? Man, I wished I had these type of trails. Unfortunately, these are not open to the public either. This is just for the folks that live out here in this housing area. That doesn't mean they can't invite friends. May have to do that. That is an outstanding trail.
Right?
That is way awesome.
Cool? It's like going through the jungle.
Yeah, that is way cool. I am jealous.
I am
really
been
jealous.
down that one before.
Have you
Yeah,
not?
we went through part of that one, but
We
we kept
went
getting
part,
lost.
yeah.
We kept going in like circles and stuff.
Well, let's just go see where we end up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.
I'm good.
Nope. Emma. We got to do this. Go around the lake.
We'll see you on the other side.
You what? It is so nice. So it's raining a little bit. Oh, that didn't sound good.
No, it didn't.
I caught something with the tire.
Hey, you caught something? It didn't pop off, right?
No.
Looks like you're still rolling with there.
Yep. And that's how people die. He would look very cool doing it when he died, yes. Devin, if you had a badge and a squad car, you'd never let that guy get away with that, would you?
No.
You'd have a lot of fun chasing him down.
Oh, it would have been easy. Been good until he tried to run through the ditch.
Yep.
That's the only way to get away.
Yeah, it would have been. And he could have with that bike, but still. Oh, they're having fun. That's great. I love them both to death. I guess I can catch up. I got the power and the speed. I just need to get off this sidewalk and get over in the street. I'm tempted to hop the curb and come over there, but here we go. Yeah. Woo! want to die. I better stop. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo!
I wasn't fully charged when we left.
I wasn't either. I'm down to 38%.
Never seen her rode so fast, have you?
Nope. I'm impressed that bike was doing it.
You got to pedal to make it do that.
Yeah.
I noticed that on the way home that night.
Yeah.
Like this and that one, you just kick it and it'll
Keep
go.
going. Yeah.
That one, you hold just the throttle.
So like to 25, right?
20.
Oh, 20. Wow.
20.
Okay.
So yeah, I had to pedal that thing, but then the gearing gives out. And
Yeah. I was surprised I was able to keep up the gearing because normally I can't
What?
keep up with the pedal.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But I was doing it for a while. Woo! I needed that.
So how you liking that?
I like it a lot. A whole lot.
Yeah.
So they've got another one that's almost the same. It just does not have the dual suspension, but everything else is the same. And it's, I think that one's 1,700 instead of 25. But, I mean, for what it is, it's pretty good. But I like this brand a lot. Customer service has been great, and my legs burn now, Emma.
Yeah, I bet they do.
Whew. I gotta get some water. All right, guys, that was a fun ride with Emma and Devin, and a little adventurous, and it didn't rain on us, even though it looks like it's gonna start raining any moment. So, yeah, good times. My battery is about dead on this thing, so we're gonna go ahead and sign off here, and probably just let it run until it runs out in case something exciting happens, like I crash, but let's hope not, and if so, that'll be a bonus clip. But anyway, thanks for joining us on this ride, and give me a thumbs up if you like. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I'll be happy to answer questions. If you're new, please join us again by subscribing. Until the next video, until the next ride, be safe.